here with a flip through of my Tsunami Rose Design Team project. I am super duper late. This was supposed to be for January and it's almost the end of February, but here it is. I will have the link of the kits that were used. It's her black and white ephemera kits and journal kit, super fun. So these are kind of the same but different. And what I did is I kind of went with the black and white theme idea. They're single signature journals. I think 12 pages, we'll have to check. One signature, and I have a lace, well no, this is ribbon. A ribbon closure, kind of fun and different. And then these are, I think, it's not metal, but it's not plastic. I'm not sure what it is. But these are old school scrapbooking things. I got them, they've been in my stash. I have all different colors. And I thought, what a fun way to tie up the book. But I guess they were used in scrapbooking, you know, like back in the 80s, 90s, I have no idea. So I have a combo of scrapbooking paper and Tsunami Rose. And what I did is I went with the black and white theme, and then I made the journal a rainbow. So all of the pages are black and white, and then I used rainbow ephemera. So there's each section is part of the rainbow. So the first couple of pages are the red, and I have a tab to mark it. Some of the ephemera is vintage ephemera, and some is stuff that I've had in my stash or that I found. I went and I sorted all my ephemera by color, so it made it really fun to kind of go through. These are from the kit. So all of the ephemera, like this, is from Tsunami Rose if it's black and white. This one I did stenciling, and then I did some coloring to give it more pops of the color of that section. Here's another ephemera, more stenciling. Here I layered some fabric and different funky ephemera, same here. And then again, this is a piece from the journal. Make sure I'm in, okay. More stenciling, and then we go to the orange section. And so I have an orange tab. I did some coloring here. Sorry, I'm still coffee and yucky. Some ephemera that I have, isn't that cute? So fun. And I had an orange little pockets. Did some orange coloring here. More ephemera. And then, oh yeah, this pocket I made and put some, this is Maggie Holmes, and that's I think from Michael's a couple of years back. Isn't this cute, these owls? And these are Tim Holtz flowers. I want to say Maggie Holmes or Dear Lizzie, I'm not sure. So this is the yellow section. And for this one, I just put a piece of yellow scrapbook paper and made a pocket. And there's some ephemera. Here, I layered up some different pieces. This is some vintage wrapping paper and a card. And these are cute journaling cards. A yellow heart. And then here, it goes from yellow to green and yellow and blue. I mean, yeah, yellow and blue make green, so I thought it was fun. I have yellow and blue, and then it goes to green and some ducks. And there's the green, this vintage tag, and a playing card up here. Maggie Holmes flower. More fabric and a button, a tuck spot that doesn't want to let go. I'll play with that later. There's a belly band and has some green ephemera tucked in. This is actually wallpaper, a green butterfly. Here's an envelope with a journaling card inside. With a green paper clip, of course. And then we move on to blue, another Maggie Holmes tag. a blue bird, butterflies. This I left open on the top so you could actually slip a picture in. And more of her ephemera. More fabric. Maggie Holmes. And then we go to purple. Isn't this cool? This is an older seed packet with some purple goodies on the inside. Here's a little tuck spot and some purple goodies. This beautiful flower. Tim Holtz. And then in the back, there's more pieces of ephemera tucked in a black and white tuck spot. So that's kind of fun. So that one I used tabs to separate. And this one I did not, just to kind of give an option. I mean, you could always add tabs later. And these will be in my Etsy shop. I have several journals going in. The Gypsy boho journal. I still have to list this one, and I have a calico collage journal. They'll all be listed fairly shortly, if not by the time you're seeing this video. So here in the front I have a tuck spot with the ephemera, and again we went with red. And here I did some tattered angels, and I did sprays with stencils, so it was a bit different. Some vintage ephemera and some tattered angel spray, and I left the black and white. I just love how that looks. Really kind of fun and different. More red collages, a red tag with a tuck spot, and then we go over to orange. Just making sure we're in the frame. I keep feeling like I keep going out. Some circles. Little collage here. This is from a book page, and I thought it was perfect. And I love the black and the white with this, the ampersand. Oh, yeah. Orange Maggie Holmes. This was fun. You can write the date for the journaling. A side tuck spot with some orange goodies. Some orange ribbon. And then we go to yellow. It says along for the ride. A little tuck spot. Oh goodness. There we go. I think I put my goodies in a little too early. There we go. Some vintage stamps. You'll notice I didn't color any of the pictures in this one. So whoever gets it can do that. A belly band. This actually is open down here too. This would be great for journaling. A piece of ephemera that I kind of layered up. Some pineapples. Those are fun. And then we go from yellow to green. So there's some green on the tag and some yellow. I thought this was fun with the cameras. Some wallpaper. Tuck spot with a vintage division card. More stenciling and sprays. And I made a little collage. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? That glimmer. I love it. And you can still doodle and draw on here too, so it's perfect for that. And more blue. There's some more blue, and there's more of those owls. Fabric. Basketball and skiing. Butterflies. And then purple, I have another one of the vintage seed packets. Not vintage, but it's definitely older. Purple. Oh, lots of purple in this one. More purple. And then this fun purpley fabric. And it's not fabric, but it feels like it. It's fun texture. And then more ephemera tucked in the back. And there's that one. So both of these fun rainbow black and white journals will be listed in my Etsy shop. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks again so much for watching and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.